Luxury car review. Guys, this isn't just any SUV. This is the 2026 Cadillac Escalade IQ. The kind of car that makes people stop and go, "Whoa, is that a spaceship on wheels?" So buckle up, because today we're diving deep into this all-electric, ultra-luxury beast. Insane features, mind-blowing performance, and style that could put the red carpet to shame. Power performance. Clips of Escalade IQ accelerating and driving smoothly. Let's kick things off with the muscle. Dual motors, all-wheel drive, and a ridiculous 750 horsepower 0 to 60. Under 5 seconds. And this thing is huge. And the range. A jaw-dropping 465 miles on a single charge. Fast charging with 800-volt architecture. 100 miles in just 10 minutes. This isn't just an SUV. It's a lightning-powered cheetah. Interior tech. Visuals of the 55-inch display. Rear entertainment system. Now step inside, and whoa! What is this? A full 55-inch pillar-to-pillar curved display across the dashboard. Rear passengers. They get dual 12.6-inch touchscreens. And the cherry on top, Super Cruise, hands-free driving. Just sit back, relax, and let the car do the driving. Oh, and how about a 38-speaker AKG sound system with speakers built into the headrests? It's not just audio. It's a full-blown concert in your ears. Style design. Exterior shots with LED grille, 24-inch wheels, night shots. Let's talk style now. LED lit grille, massive 24-inch alloy wheels, and that head-turning presence. It's next-level premium. Drive this down the street, and even the paparazzi will chase you. And if VIP treatment is your vibe, go for the executive second row package. Heated, ventilated, and massaging seats. Power opening doors, twin infotainment screens in the back, and a 40-speaker AKG system with headrest audio. Luxury isn't a feature here. It's the entire personality. Trims pricing. Flash all trims with quick specs. You get 4 trim levels with the Escalade IQ Luxury. Starting at 127 for faces. Start cease. Sportier styling. 127 different styles. Premium luxury. Loaded with Dolby Atmos sound and high-end finishes. 137,705. Premium sport. With massage seats and a panoramic roof. 148 $2,000. Each trim has its own unique flair, and every feature screams class. Outro. Slow cinematic shot of Escalade IQ driving into sunset. Bold, confident tone. The 2026 Cadillac Escalade IQ. This is luxury, redefined for the future. Power, style, technology, it's all maxed out. So what are you waiting for? Hit the link below. Contact Germain Cadillac of Easton and bring home your dream EV today. End screen with logo plus CTA, like, subscribe. Tap the bell icon for more luxury car reviews.